In this PowerPoint, we will discuss very important topic, that is transformer. This is an electrical appliance which is used to transform the voltage without changing its nature. It converts alternating current at low voltage to alternating current at high voltage and vice versa. If alternating current at low voltage is converted into that at high voltage, the transformer is called step-up transformer. And if alternating current at high voltage is converted into alternating current at low voltage, then this is called step-down transformer. So we will discuss its principle, construction, and working. What is transformer? It converts low voltage at high current to high voltage at low current. This is for a step-up transformer, and high voltage at low current to low voltage at high current. This is for a step-down transformer. Now we will see what is the principle on which its working is based. It is based on mutual induction. When changing current flows through one of the inductively coupled coils, EMF is induced on another coil. Here I have given two diagrams, one for a step-down transformer, whereas other for a step-up transformer. Construction. It consists of two coils called primary and secondary, wound over insulating high permeable core. With the primary coil, alternating source, which is to be transformed, is connected, whereas with the secondary coil, output is drawn through the load resistance. Now, working and theory. Now, how does it convert? How does it transform the voltage? We will see it in working and theory part. Due to varying current flowing through the primary coil, EMF is induced in the secondary coil by mutual induction. Induction takes place in primary coil also by self-induction, and in the secondary coil, induction takes place by mutual induction. For primary coil, NP is the number of turns, NS for number of turns of secondary coil, EP equals to induced EMF in primary coil, whereas ES is the induced EMF in secondary coil. Its working is based on two assumptions. First assumption is, if there is no flux leakage between primary coil and secondary coil, then EMF induced in the primary coil by self-induction is EP equals to minus NP into d phi by dt. This is according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. EMF induced in the secondary coil is ES equals to minus NS into d phi by dt. In both the equations, I have taken phi same, as I have assumed that there is no flux leakage between primary coil and secondary coil. Dividing 1 by 2, EP by ES equals to NP by NS. This NP by NS is the ratio of number of turns in primary coil and secondary coil. And this is constant K, called transformation ratio or turns ratio. And from this expression, we can find the EMF induced in secondary coil, that is ES equals to NS by NP into EP. Now, second assumption, if there is no power loss, no power loss means we are considering that transformer is ideal. The total power in primary coil is equal to total power in the secondary coil. Means input power is equals to output power. And one thing you should know, that ratio of output power to the input power is called efficiency of the transformer. So efficiency eta equals to ESIS by EPIP into 100. Therefore, IS equals to EP into IP by ES. This is the expression of induced EMF in the secondary coil.